Hi guys, welcome to my bee loom tutorial. We are going to need 15 yellow, one wing color, that means like blue, white, or clear. And then we're gonna need 15 black bands and obviously a hook. Okay, let's get started. So first we're gonna take one black band and wrap it around your hook 3 times. 3. Should get something like that. Now we're gonna take one more black band, and wrap it around 3 times. There's my third one. Okay, now we're gonna move it back to where the other band is, just like that. Now we're gonna take 3 yellow bands and put it on our hook like that. And then we're gonna bring our black bands on to our yellow. Like that. Now we're gonna move it and put the yellow ones on our hook, the other side on our hook, just like that. Now we're gonna take 3 black bands Now put it on our hook, like that. Now we're gonna move our yellow one over, like that. Now we're gonna do the same thing and put it on, like that. Just like that. And now we're gonna take 3 yellow ones, like that, and then put it on our hook, and then take our black ones over and put it on our hook. You should get something like that now, like this. Now we're gonna just take one singular band and put it on, just like this. Now take our yellow and put it on, just like that. Now we're gonna put it on and just like that. Now we're gonna take our right band, take it off of our hook, then stretch. Now you should have something like that now. Now we're gonna, this is a kind of hard part. We're gonna take one of this side. We're gonna take one of this side, and then one of the other black side. Just like that. Okay, now you're gonna put it on your hook, like that, and then take your wing color, put it on your hook, just like how you did for your thing. Okay, then we're gonna do that, and then your wing should look like, then your bee should look like that. Then you see this little part, we're gonna snip it off. Just like that. Now you have your cute little bee. Bye guys, make sure to like and subscribe.